All oppressors. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Open it, open. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Upside down.
Turn it. Where's the other one? Ario. Oya. Ta ló fún wa lórí. Oya.
All oppressors, them go run away. When mercies take over. When mercies take over. When mercies take over. All oppressors, them go run away. When mercies take over. Greatest Nigerian people, greatest of the greatest Nigerian people. I want to state that on this particular day there is nothing to fear. Yes, sir. This is our country and this is our nation. Even President Muhammadu Buhari himself, walked on the street of Abuja and protested on the street. It is not yet independent. Even though he said today is independence, but it is not yet independence. One day, the revolution of the common man shall happen. One day, the revolution of the masses shall happen. One day, the revolution of the hunger shall happen. One day, the revolution of the oppressed shall happen. One day, the revolution of the deprived shall happen. One day, the revolution of the angry man shall happen. One day, the ruling elite shall know that they shall know that you and I that have been oppressed by the owners of Nigeria. One day, Buhari and all the tutors of our Commonwealth and the owners of one day shall be one day, monkey will go to farm or to the market. Where masses take over street. Where masses take over street. Where masses take over street. Run away. Where masses take over street. All oppressors. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always solidarity forever. You are not going to join. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
We shall always fight for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
Who wants the struggle? Who wants the struggle? No go die better. Who wants the struggle? Who wants the struggle? No go die better. Who wants the poor man? Who wants the poor man? No go die better. Who wants the masses? Who wants the masses? No go die better. Who wants the struggle? Who wants the struggle? No go die better. Who wants the struggle? Who wants the struggle? No go die better. Who deceive Nigerians? Who deceive Nigerians? No go die better. Who deceive Nigerians? Who deceive Nigerians? No go die better. Who wants the people? Who wants the people? No go die better. Who wants the people? Who wants the people? No go die better. Who oppress the masses? Who oppress the masses? No go die better. Who oppress the masses? Who oppress the masses? No go die better. Soli, soli.
Where you dey run, dey go now?
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Victory cometh by struggle.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come.
Freedom cometh by struggle.
Freedom come
By struggle.
by struggle.
Freedom cometh by struggle.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come.
Forward.
Never backward, never in the struggle.
Nigeria, there is
Victory.
Nigeria people. Courageous Nigeria people. Progressive Nigeria people. Fearless
challenge.
I say another challenge. Challenge you.
Another challenge, you.
Another challenge you. Another challenge you.
Another challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Double challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Another challenge.
Let us Nigerians.
Yes.
Let us Nigerians.
Yes.
Let us Nigerians.
Yes.
Everybody sit down.
Sit down.
Everybody sit down. I will die for my country.
Exactly.
Sit down. I will die for my country.
As a witness of history, I stand in front of you today to say, don't be afraid.
Absolutely.
Right now, as it is usual, we are being surrounded by our brothers in the armed forces. They are acting as if we are here against them.
No.
We are fighting for a country that will be better for them and their children. Greatest Nigerian people.
Yes.
In 1960, the reason we are in this mess is that our grandfathers were afraid of the police.
Absolutely.
10 years later, we had a civil war because our fathers were afraid to take the right steps.
Absolutely.
And it is 2020. They want us to be afraid again.
Never.
They want us to be afraid to demand for just simple fundamental human rights.
Never.
That all of them and ourselves to enjoy in a country of our own.
Absolutely.
Nigeria is 60 years and we are still afraid to live in our own country. It is 60 years and we haven't had an opportunity to get employed after we graduate from the university.
Absolutely.
It is 60 years and we are the 6th largest producer of oil in the world. The president this morning was saying that he wants to compare the price of oil in Nigeria with that of Saudi Arabia. But he doesn't want to compare the streets of Saudi Arabia with that of Nigeria.
The minimum wage.
Saudi Arabia hospitals
The
with that of
minimum wage in
Nigeria.
Saudi Arabia.
He's not talking about the minimum wage in Saudi Arabia versus that of Nigeria.
Absolutely.
Nobody should be afraid at this time.
Absolutely.
And I want to call on the policemen, no matter who is pushing you. I want to call on the DSS, my friends, who detained me last year for 5 months. All of you should understand that these guys here are fighting for your children. Absolutely. They are fighting for your future. We are fighting for you too. We are fighting for a country. We are fighting for a country where your salaries can be that as of a policeman.
Nigerian people.
We have just welcomed one of our fearless ladies. Aisha Yusufu to our midst. That's why we saw the little commotion. There is no reason to be afraid.
Absolutely.
If you are in Nigeria
Others are coming.
for the last 60 years, you don't have to be afraid of prison anymore.
Everybody sit down.
Because you're
Sit
already
down.
in prison.
Yes, sir. Everybody sit down. Sit down.
Greatest
sit down.
Nigerian people,
Sit down.
we are not even supposed to have come here
Sorry.
to the American embassy to protest.
Yes.
We are supposed to go to Aso Rock
Yes.
to go because Aso Rock is our home.
Yes.
It's our own.
It's a
home.
public property.
It's our office.
Yes.
But because of the fear of the unknown, we decided to let the diplomatic community see what we are going through.
Absolutely.
Because they are not afraid of our people, but they are afraid of their masters.
Oh, yes.
The reason we came here also was because Nigeria itself is a creation of the colonial masters.
Yes.
And we are telling them that after 60 years, what they created is also a failure.
Absolutely.
It's the reason we came to a diplomatic compound.
Absolutely.
Again, as you can see, we are surrounded by our brothers with the gun that we bought for them.
Absolutely. With our own tax money.
Tear gas that we paid for.
Absolutely.
And we are not their enemies, though.
Absolutely.
But they turn themselves into our own enemies.
Oh, yes.
If you go to police barracks in this country, you cannot put chicken there. The policemen should have done what they did in Mali. Some 2 months ago, when they saw protesters like this, they dropped their guns and joined the protesters.
Yes.
Are we asking for too much or you ask them to join us? So why are you all tensed up? You shouldn't be tensed up.
Another challenge, you.
Another challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Double challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Double challenge, you. Double challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Another challenge, you. Another challenge, you.
Greatest Nigerian people. I know that some of you might be wondering that out of 200 million people, how come that is just a few of us here that are here? Do not be deterred. Each person here this morning represents every suffering person on the streets of Nigeria.
That's right.
Each person here this morning represents every family that can no longer pay for electricity in their house. Each person here this morning represents every ordinary Nigerian masses on the street that can no longer buy bag of rice at the market, that can no longer buy palm oil at the market, that can no longer send their children to school, that can no longer pay for common things that citizens should have as a people in an environment, in a society that is supposedly governed by people who have the best interest of the people at heart. So do not be deterred. Let it be known that for 200 million Nigerians, a few of us came here, and we faced the intimidation of the DSS, of the police, of the army, that we faced their guns, that we faced their rubber bullets, that we faced their tear gas, and that we remain undeterred.
Yes.
Let it be known that should anything happen to those that are here today, that we have done the right thing. That today we are fighting for the just cause. That today we are fighting for a Nigeria that will work for all of us.
Yes.
That today we are fighting for a Nigeria where the police themselves they will have peace of mind. Yes. We are fighting for a Nigeria where the police will be more accountable to the people than they are to politicians.
Yes.
That we want a Nigeria where the government will not see itself as a law unto itself, but as a body that is responsible for the well-being of the Nigerian people. Yes. We are fighting for a Nigeria that will appreciate the sufferings that Nigerians have endured for 60 years and are still enduring. We want a Nigeria where all of us will be proud to say, I am Nigerian. We want a Nigeria where we will not be afraid to protest. We want a Nigeria where we will not be afraid to come to even a diplomatic ground and not be intimidated by forces of public institutions.
Yes.
So let it be known that those who came here today are not here for themselves. That those who came here today are here on behalf of every Nigerian out there. That we are here on behalf of every Nigerian that is afraid because of what this government has continued to do to Nigerians.
Yes.
Those that are afraid to brace their rubber bullets, their tear gas, and whatever weapons that they bought with taxpayers' money. Let it be known that we are here representing every Nigerian. And that at the end of the day, freedom shall come, because freedom comes by struggle.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom
cometh by struggle.
Freedom come by struggle, by struggle.
Yes, let me also add that beside Abuja, I our compatriots are protesting across the world.
Absolutely.
Very soon, our compatriots in London will start.
Absolutely.
Very soon, the ones in Toronto and New York and Washington, D.C. will also start.
Absolutely.
The ones in Denmark has already done their own. There will be a protest today in Sweden. And in Nigeria, as I'm speaking with you, a protest is going on in Osogbo. That of Lagos is going on. It's going on in Benin City. It's going on in Port Harcourt. There will be protests in Kano today. There will be protests in Kaduna today. There will be protests in Zaria today. So, we are not people who are fearful of anybody. It's just that this movement will keep growing, and one day, nobody can contain the movement.
Absolutely.
Because there's a limit to which you can push people to the wall.
Oh, yes.
Even goats, when they are pushed to the wall, they bite back. There's a point that Nigerians will rise up, all of them. There will not be enough policemen on the street to stop them.
Absolutely.
There will not be enough Nigerian soldiers to kill them. There will be no civil defense to stop them. The DSS will be rendered powerless.
Oh, yes.
And as you know, the DSS has its own problem now. They did a hiring scandal the other day. 533 Nigerians were hired from one state or one part of the country, while the rest of the country was given 35 slots. That's the kind of nepotism that has destroyed Nigeria. And they don't want us to talk. They don't want us to talk when they steal 81 billion naira over the period of 3 months in the Niger Delta Commission. The policemen that are here will never go to their houses to go arrest the thieves. But whenever we are protesting, they are very, very happy to beat us up. The Minister of Disaster Affairs, I don't know her portfolio, that woman.
That stole our billions.
She puts billions of naira feeding children who are not in school. The policemen here will never go to her house to go and arrest her. All the DSS will never go to the house of the thieves. They are always interested in suppressing the innocent people of Nigeria.
Oh, yes.
And we are saying that one day,
Enough.
the innocent people will be tired of this nonsense.
Yeah.
Revolution!
No!
Revolution! No! Revolution!
Them go run away.
When Nigerians
take overseas. When Nigerians take overseas. All oppressors, them go run away.
greatest Nigerian people. Are you tired?
No.
Are you tired?
No.
3 goals for Nigeria.
Bosa, bosa, bosa.
3 goals for greater Nigeria.
Bosa, bosa, bosa.
3 goals for Nigeria beyond Buhari.
Bosa, bosa, bosa.
3 goals to end of economic hardship.
Bosa, bosa, bosa.
3 goals to end of fuel hike in this country.
Bosa,
Dosa, dosa.
And 3 Eya for Buhari.
Eya, eya, eya.
Nigeria people.
in this land. And that is the office of the citizen.
Yes.
The president occupies the highest coalition. So his office is less than our